Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I live in New York City. I'm part of a craft group here called Craftermath, and I love making crafts. So you can check us out online if you like at craftermath.blogspot.com. Right now I'm going to make a Valentine's Day card out of a manila folder. So for this craft, you're going to need a manila folder, you're going to need some scissors, and then you're going to need your things to decorate your card. I'm going to use some glue, some glitter, and some colored paper. First, take your scissors, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make, now most cards are shaped, we've all seen a greeting card. My card's going to be a little different. I'm going to make a long, skinny card. So I'm just going to cut the whole top off of the manila folder, just like that. Goodbye. Done with that. Now I've got my card. It's kind of like almost menu shaped. I like this. I'm feeling long and slim today. So next I'm going to take my piece of colored paper, actually, I need a different piece here. And I'm just gonna make a couple hearts. Now, we all know how to make hearts. Basically, you fold your card in half, take your scissors, and just do a little bit of an arc. Bring it back down, boom, you've got yourself a heart. Put a little glue on the back of your heart. Take your finger or a brush or what have you, smear it out so it's nice and even. You can also use a glue stick for this activity. That works very well as well. I actually like working with Elmer's though, because it sticks very well. Okay, so there's the front of my card. Now I'm going to take a little bit of glitter and decorate this card with glitter. For those of you out there who've seen me do crafts before, you know I am a glitter fanatic. I love me some glitter. So I've taken the glue, I have put a ring of glue around the card. Now I'm going to take my red glitter and I'm just going to give a little sprinkle all around the card. Doesn't have to be too perfect because when you lift the card and the gravity takes charge, it will just do a little bit of coverage for you. So just take it, turn it upside down in both directions, drop off the extra glue, the extra glitter. There's the outside of my card. And then when you open it up, you can decorate it any way you like inside. Happy crafting!